everyone, welcome you all to another interview with the ACE Achievers Dental Academy. I am Dr. Neeraj Vadhavan, and as you all know, the NEET MDS 2021 result has been recently released and ACE Achievers students have been shining bright in it. I am in company of Dr. Diksha Gupta. She is ranked 322 overall in the NEET exam. The special thing is she is from ITS Dental College Muradnagar and she has made everybody proud by getting such a good rank. Congratulations Diksha.
Thank you, sir. Hi, I'm Diksha Gupta. I've done my undergraduation from ITS Dental College, Muradnagar, and right now I'm doing internship. It will be completed soon by March 2021. Yes, my journey was little bit interesting because we ITS Dental College students and all the college UP students basically, we get very limited time to get preparation. And within 6 months I have got a good guidance from Dr. Neeraj sir, from Dr. Akshika ma'am, and thankfully I joined ACE Achievers.
So Diksha, it's a huge achievement. In 6 months short span of time, you have achieved a rank which is going to get you an all India seat in the government colleges. Yes. So first of all, when you got the result, how was what was the environment like at home?
So actually the result came on 31st December 2020, New Year's Eve. We were in the party. I was not able to open the result, so my father opened it, and I was not actually expecting this much rank because we only got 6 months to prepare. But after seeing my result, I assured again and again that yes, these are not my marks, this is my rank. So they were so happy, like there were happy tears coming from my eyes, from my parents, and they were expecting a lot from me, so they were so happy.
Our association with ITS Dental College Muradnagar has been since the last few years, ever since Dr. Radhika Lamba joined us. Since then, many other good students have joined, including Kamya Mahajan, Neha Gaur, Parth Deoli. Radhika Lamba now is commissioned in the army. Parth Deoli has been recently commissioned in the army as captain. And Dr. Neha and Dr. Kamya are pursuing their post-graduation in different colleges. So we have been associated with many good students. Thank you Diksha for choosing us. Diksha will talk about the 6 months being a very limited time for studying.
Yes, sir.
How did you manage to get such a good rank in this much time?
Definitely, sir. 6 months of period is very limited. But yes, my concepts were good from the first year. My medicine was good, and my teachers also said that you can do this because your medicine part is good. Second thing, that the corona time, although it has affected all of us, it has affected it's a pandemic, but yes, it was a blessing in disguise for me because I got lot of time to prepare. Otherwise, if I'll be doing internship, I was not able to prepare that much of time. I was only getting 3 hours, so that is not enough. Third thing is that your concepts should be good so that you can brush up in this time and you can compete with all the good students.
So Diksha, when did you join ACE Achievers?
So I joined ACE Achievers on 9th March 2020, and the best thing about the ACE Achievers is the schedule, because we have our Saturdays also working, so we only have Sunday to deal with all these things. So Sunday they have full day discussion, and I used to attend all the live classes. Then if I have to get again on repetition, then I used to watch the videos. And meanwhile, in my weekdays, I used to prepare from the Dental Pulse, from the Dr. Neeraj Vadhavan book. And this is my
mantra for
success. Yes, sir.
Diksha, now we'll come to a little bit of the challenges being from a private college. I understand ITS is one of the best colleges in the NCR, being a private college. But what challenges, apart from the short time which we have already talked about, what other challenges you faced during your start of your preparation?
So initially, ITS always motivated me because the faculty was so pleasing, was so comfortable. You can discuss anything with them. But yes, the seniors always motivated me. But yes, the number of students who passed or who ranked good in NEET were limited as compared to government colleges. But if you have the right guidance, like I got from Dr. Akshika ma'am, Dr. Neeraj sir, Dr. Akshika ma'am actually motivated me because I was always the topper in university from my first year only. But yes, I was not motivated for the NEET MDS because I always thought that this is the place for government college students. But yes, ma'am told me no, you can do it. Plus my seniors like Parth sir, my Kamya ma'am, Radhika ma'am, they were also a role model people for me. So yes, this is a challenge, but I think with the right guidance you can pursue it, you can clear it.
The thing is that she took the challenge positively and ended up having a very good result, proving that anybody and everybody can aim for government seat, can get a very good rank. I'm absolutely sure if Diksha continues to prepare ahead, she can get even the topmost rank, she can even reach the pinnacle. So a big achievement, Diksha. So Diksha, apart from the lectures and everything that you used to attend on Sunday, what other things you liked about ACE Achievers?
The best thing about the ACE Achievers is the mock test. The mock test actually simulate with the NEET pattern that I have seen myself. I have seen that all other students who were appearing were not able to prepare or were not able to complete the part B also because they were not comfortable with this software. So the mock test helped me. Plus mock test also helped me in boosting my confidence because they provide us with the rank with all the students. They provide us with the average marks, with the average percentage. So that also motivate you.
So finally, Diksha, what are the tips you would like to give to many other fellow interns who have very limited time to prepare, who are coming from a private college background? Okay, so they can have problems with motivation, they can have problems with limited time. So what will be your tips for them?
First thing, you should be very clear with the concepts from the first year because in this limited time you cannot do everything and you have to be clear with the concepts so that you can just brush up, you can just study the gist of the 19 subjects. Second thing is you have to be, you should believe in yourself because in my case also I was not so confident about this thing that I will clear this rank, but Dr. Akshika motivated me. Third thing is the main thing that you should have the good guidance. Like after choosing ACE Academy, I can surely say that it is a good platform where you can express yourself, where you can actually improve from day 1 to day 30. So that is the main thing. Fourth thing is that you should properly manage your time because I have seen my batchmates also, they have put lot of hard work but they have not cleared because there is lack of smart work. You should also be smart when you study. So you should not be like that ki there are 19 subjects and you revise every subject. This is not possible. You should be clear that in this subject this is the main topic. Like Dr. Neeraj sir always provide us with the guidance that these subjects with these topics is important and this is a repeat. So you should focus on these topics more than the others. And the last is that you should know what to leave because Neeraj sir always say this thing that you should know this thing that what is more important क्योंकि अगर आप सब पढ़ लोगे तो mix up हो जाएगा, jumble up हो जाता है तो तुम्हें ये पता होना चाहिए कि तुम्हें क्या छोड़ना है. That is very important. So
I think Diksha has given fantastic tips and one thing I want to highlight here what Diksha said, we should have good concepts from the starting. So to highlight, to improve that only, ACE Achievers has come up with the novel concept of doing the final year lectures. We are also now getting into BDS final year lecturing, so that we can improvise the concepts for students right from the starting of the final year where you have most of the dental subjects coming, so that by the time you come into the intern batch you are already well versed with all the dental things and then they can take you to the next higher level. So you don't have to waste your time during the intern period trying to get to what should have been done in the earlier years. So thanks Diksha for choosing us. Thanks for making everybody proud, us, your college and your parents. Your Thanksgiving from your side, whom all would you like to thank?
I like to thank my God, I like to thank my parents who always believe in me. I like to thank my teachers, my faculty teachers who always made me so comfortable with them. And most importantly, I like to thank you sir, ma'am and ACE Achievers actually, and my seniors, Kamya ma'am, Parth sir and Radhika ma'am, who actually were role models for me.
After the Thanksgiving by Diksha, Thanksgiving by me myself to all the students who believe in us, who choose us and who get this kind of result. At the end of the day, I don't get the result. These guys get the result. So my Thanksgiving to all of them for choosing ACE Achievers. In the times further, we continue to harness and improvise more students so that ACE Achievers remains at the top. Thank you all for watching this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.